To hear more options, press 0.
What are you talking about?
Hey guys, it's me. So this vlog is gonna be all over the place because it's been a minute. I have some footage from, I made the Birria, B-I-R-R-I-A, I think, tacos. I'm gonna put a little bit of footage in there now. Alright guys, so this part is on my phone. Don't come for me. But I already took some of the oil and stuff off of the top for the tortillas to fry in. And you see that? And then this is about done. I have to use like this knockoff crock pot because the actual crock pot I cannot find the top to. So this is about to come off in probably like 5 minutes. Ooh, look. This back here for a second. And then it looks more orange on here, probably because of the lighting. It's not that orange, it's more brown in a person, but you know, whatever. Lighting. So it looks like, I swear, in this video right now, it looks like it has like oil on it. Like, you know, when some oil turns, like solidifies, it turns orange. That's what it looks like, but in person it's like dead ass brown. But anyway, I'm about to take this off the heat, like I'm about to cut the pot off, and then I need to shred the meat, and then I can fry the tortillas with the cheese and the juice and make the tacos. I was gonna make guac, but I didn't because I'm lazy. So yeah, I'll put the recipe that I followed down below. But two things. One is I didn't strain the chili mix when I put it in the crock pot. And then instead of the seasonal she uses, I used lemon pepper. Alright, so let me show you. So this is the pot I cooked it in. A knockoff crock pot. There's the juice I'm gonna use to dip this, and then I'm gonna use to dip the meat. This is like half of the meat. Well, I only did half of the meat, like only chopped up half of the meat, and we've been eating this since yesterday, so there's still that much left. The cheese I use is mozzarella cheese, and then this is sharp cheddar Velveeta. I only use a little bit of this because I don't really like the plastic, like the cheese that comes in plastic like this. And then on the second tortilla, I use this habanero honey mustard, and you cannot taste the honey mustard, you can only taste the spice. So let me go ahead and start this because, hold up. Can you kind of see there? Okay, I'm gonna start this because the pan has been on. So I'm gonna dip this. I usually had a separate bowl to dip it in. But I think my brother like dumped it and put the rest away. I'm gonna use this tortilla to bring this one over. So I just dip it in the juice and then put it in the pan. I don't spray anything in the pan, like it's just a hot pan. This is about the same height, but you know, it is what it is. So I flip it once. Mozzarella. I'm not gonna put this on just yet. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit more. So this cheese, I just rip it in half, or like close to half. And then that's gonna go in the bottom, and then for this half, I rip this in half, and I only use half of it. I don't use like this. I rip that in half again, so I can line the front of the tortilla with it. Okay, so I'm gonna put some mozzarella cheese on one side. Not that much. gonna put some of this. It's the chili lime rub by Weber. I'll just put a little bit on that same slice. Then I'm gonna put that bigger slice of the Velveeta cheese. And then I'm gonna put this half on top of there and move it to the center. And then I flatten it down a little bit. Now it's just one. And this part is where it goes pretty quick. I just put it together after this because I don't feel like waiting. You can warm up the beef. I did last time, but like honestly right now I just don't care about anything right now. So I'm just gonna not warm it up and it's gonna be okay. Because I warm up the broth that I dip it in and this is warm. It's okay. It's okay. So now I'm gonna put the Melinda's habanero honey mustard. I'm just gonna put a line. Just like that. And then I'm gonna put some more mozzarella. I don't put that much. It's really up to you how much you want to put. I'm gonna put the half of a half cheeses on the rim. I need to hurry it. Just like that, on the rim, and then I'm gonna put the beef in. Oh. So then I used both of these. I used the spatula to get under the tortilla, and then I just used this to help fold it over. And then I also use it to push the meat back in. That falls out. And I kind of hold it down. For a second or two, just so it keeps its shape. My brother just cooked, I don't know what side of the thing he used. And then I'm gonna take it out. It's like dripping with cheese. So this is just the meat juice and the like puree and stuff. I'm gonna put that in this container. Couple. I'm just gonna warm it up and then I'm gonna put lime juice. I just didn't want to leave that part out. That's probably enough, but for some reason I want one more scoop. I'm gonna get one more scoop, and I need to really put this in the container in the fridge, and I'll do that after. But yeah, that's about it, guys. So I'm back home now. My clothes, my picture I still haven't hung up, and I would be getting some work done. However, my computer does not want to pick up the upgraded internet. So either we have to downgrade the internet, or I have to upgrade my Wi-Fi card, which I don't really know how to do that yet. So I don't know, but whatever we do, like, we need to do it quick because I have work to get done. Oh, and I'm also mad at this one clothing brand that I kind of want to call out. I'm gonna say it now. It's the label. I'm mad. Don't know what's going to happen. On Tuesday, I will know what dealio is, whether I'm going to report them for fraud or not, because they're playing with me and I don't like it. So I'm mad about that. But anyway, I need my internet to upload videos, to work on some things that I'm working on. I've dropped some hints before. Who knows if I actually said it or not, but I'm working on that. And then there's and another like video series I want to do. I need my internet to upload those videos. So I'm kind of in a rut right now because I need it for all of those things. I need to order things, packing and shipping things. I just need to do quite a lot. Honestly, I kind of want to show my shoes, and then maybe I'll show one pair of shoes, and then I'll show the new stuff in general that I've gotten in like an actual video, I guess. So let me go get my pair of shoes. I already wore them. If you could see that thing on my door handle, don't worry about it. Anyway, I already wore them, so they're not gonna be on my legs. They're in their box, because you know how it goes with that. So these are well, a little backstory is that I couldn't find these like anywhere, and then there's a friend of a friend who's like an acquaintance of mine who works in a shoe store, and she knows like how to get shoes and stuff, and she still gets discounts, or she delivered, but she still gets discounts. She knows, you know, the back, whatever. So she found one pair at Champs, but they were size 6, like in kids, and I am usually a 6.5, so I didn't order them because I was like, I mean, even though I could return them, I didn't want to be like, you know, I didn't order them, but that was the only ones that we could find, and like on the internet. And so well, a quick search on the internet, I'm sure if you went to like Goat and then did all that, you could find them, but they would be for higher price, not retail. I don't, anyway. And so one day I went to the mall because my brother wanted to go because he needed shoes, and I went to the mall with him, and I went into this one store. It's not like Foot Locker. I don't want to say the name because I don't know if they're in other places, but I went in there. They had them in a 6.5, which were too big, so I got them in the 6. Anyway, that was long. So these are the Air Jordan 1 mid-low, backtrack, Air Jordan 1 mid Edge Glow GS, which is grade school, and I got them in a 6. And then they're white Hyper Crimson Pink Blast. So these are what they look like. Do I have makeup on my hand? Because you know I will be pissed because these shoes are white. Let me just wipe my hand off real quick just to make sure. You can't really see my makeup because this light is like whitewashing me. But anyway, so these are the shoes. Look how cute those are. And these were 100, which is, I mean, it's not bad. I'm not gonna sit here and lie and say that it's expensive for the type of shoe, but I didn't go in there. I didn't expect to spend money at all, and I surely didn't go in there to expect to spend 100. But this is retail therapy because I've been going through some shit, so I'm saying it's okay. Anyway, these are the shoes. They're so cute. And these are the bottoms. They look like lemonade. Yo, that looks humongous. But anyway, yeah, I really like these shoes. And I have a pair of shoes coming next month because I pre-ordered them. They're not sneakers, they're actually booties. I don't really wear booties, but I want to start. And the ones that I got, well, I wear one, they're black. And the ones that I ordered are like the similar cut. They're black base, but they're not all black. They kind of give you like these kind of vibes, like solid color. And then, so I'll show you guys those when I get those. I don't know if I ever showed you guys my Steve Madden shoes. I've had these for months. I just never wore them. But anyway, those are those. And then Let me show you my Steve Maddens because they're sitting right here staring at me. These are my, I haven't worn these out yet, but these are my, aren't these cute? They look like little jeans. Well, it's denim. For anybody who was like, I know she didn't just say little jeans. I know it's denim, but I'm just saying they look like little pairs of jeans. And it has a little pointy toe, which I don't know how it's gonna work out because I don't know if I'm gonna be looking like Clown Mickey. But anyway, zipper here. Oh, my voice. And these are in an 8.5. I think because they didn't have an 8 and I kept searching all over for these and I could not find them. So I think I just snatched up the 8.5 and they're not bad. Just put some socks, I'll be alright. So yeah, I want to wear these. I want to get some jeans that are this color because my jeans, like my jeans, not like my cool jeans, but like my regular oversized jeans, they're all light. Yeah, all my oversized jeans are light, and I only really wear oversized jeans like when I'm putting an outfit. I only really wear oversized jeans. I have a pair of shorts, those exact colors that are denim, but honestly I don't really wear shorts when I don't wear denim shorts when I'm making a fit because I don't have any that like scream fit to me. I have one pair or two pair that are more like, let me put this on and let me put a t-shirt on and look like a bum ass bitch and go do what I need to do. I don't know. Also, if you see these, it's because I twist my baby hairs because they're so freaking long. They're adult hairs. At this point, they're adult hairs. The other day, I accidentally pulled out one of my longest ones and it was literally down here. Like, one baby hair was down here. What's the other thing I got? I think I got a ring because I want to start wearing rings because I want to start like taking more, like not taking more care of my nails, child. Like I'm going to take less care of my nails and start getting them done because usually like my natural nail usually is really nice but it's boring. It's just my nails. So I'm going to get like my nails done. I love French tips. I've had French tips for like the past month and a half. French tip is my go-to because it's so like neutral, it's so simple, it goes with everything. And I got French tips with like sparkles on them, but now I want to try something else. I have an idea. I'll probably get tired of it in like the first 2 days because that's how I always am when I don't have French tips. I get bored of whatever is on my nail, but that's okay. All right, so last thing, and then I'll shut up, is, do you know what this is? Do you know what this is? I really could start singing the theme song or the opening song, or was it the end song for Yoshi Story, but I won't. Look at us matching. We're matching in here. But anyway, yeah, I got that from a GameStop because there was one closing. So I took advantage of it, and if I do anything else, I will be back to tell you guys. And hopefully I will get this vlog up by Sunday. We shall see. Okay.